Hey, I'm Tyler with Gemstone Lights. Today we're going to go over a typical residential install. Our goal is the same on any job. We want it to look like we didn't touch your house until you turn the lights on. We have a few ways of accomplishing this. First off is using color matched track. We always have the exact color match to match the fascia and soffit on the home. We used color matched screws. This track is what encases all the wiring, so everything's hidden and out of sight. We have many different track styles to complement many different styles of homes. For this client, we went with our 3/4 inch hat track. So this track, the one flange, tucks under the lip of the fascia and the other side gets screwed in with color matched screws. This keeps it secure and tight and keeps it looking clean. These are the lights that we use on residential installs. Typically with LEDs, it's called an RGB, which is a red, green, blue. Whereas Gemstone, we actually have an RGBW, which gives you this brilliant warm white that you see displayed on the house right now. Each of our lights have individual watertight connections. That way, if we ever have a defective light, it's super easy for us to come and service your home so that all the lights are always working. Our power supply is totally weatherproof, so we can mount it either inside or outside. When mounting it outside, we like to hide it in an inconspicuous place, typically behind a roof line or behind a downspout, like what you can see here. With our app, you can keep your system as simple as choosing from hundreds of our pre-built patterns, which include holidays, sports teams, world events, you name it. You can get a bit more personal and create your own colors and create your own patterns, or you can go total custom and individually select lights. This client wanted to have some more security around their property at night, so they've individually selected a couple of corners here, as well as lighting up the lights up over their front steps. And at the click of a button, I can turn it to Christmas just like that.